Good morning and welcome to all BSc third year students of Fishery Science, semester 6th, paper 15, Fish Economics, Fish Marketing, Fish Cooperatives and Extension. In this paper, we have completed first unit Fishery Economics. Now in today we have completed the unit second Fish Marketing in India. This is the most important and large unit as compared to the other three units, that is fish marketing. And in these fish marketing, different aspects we have seen. First aspect we have completed characteristics of fish market, principles of fish market, then types of fish market. With the market is to be modern, it is to be a traditional fish market. Then we have seen the distribution channel, indirect distribution channel, direct distribution channel. Then in this indirect distribution channel and direct distribution channel, that is sellers and consumers as well as producers, which are the different sources. Then we have seen that is distribution channels, then facilitating functions. All of these aspects, these are to be seen, and among these facilitating functions, 7 points which is to be have study. First, standardization, grading, labeling, packing, branding, then pricing, financing, market information, market survey. All these points, these are to be studied, these are to be seen in last few pages. Now today we have studied the last point of this unit, that is the price structure and problems in fish marketing. The last point of this unit, fish marketing in India, and that last point, sixth point, price structure and problems in fish marketing. What is the price structure and what is the problems in fish marketing? These are to be seen in these period. Yes, structure, price structure and problems in fish marketing. Exchange value of goods. Exchange value of goods. Here is a price structure. Remember that there is a price. Price structure and problems in fish marketing. What do you mean by price? Price is nothing but, or price is defined as exchange value of goods, exchange value of commodities, or exchange value of services in terms of money is called as price. What is mean by price? Price is nothing but the exchange value of goods or commodity in terms of money. Exchange value of goods, commodity or services. That exchange value of goods, commodity or services in terms of money is called as price. Price of a good is formulated by cost of production and other associated costs. How price is to be formulated? How price is to be applicable? Price is to be formulated by two methods, by two ways, depending upon the two costs. One is the cost of production and second is the other associated cost. Which is the other associated cost? Associated cost means middleman's cost, supplementary cost, or the cost which is to be required for packaging, cost which is to be required for labeling, branding, then transport, publicity, advertisement. All of these costs, these are to be included in other cost. Means price, these are to be depend upon the other cost and that is production cost or formulated cost of production. How much production, these are to be formulated producer, and this producer cost and other cost, depending upon these two costs, the price is to be applicable, price is to be. The other costs are supplementary cost at middleman point. Other costs are the supplementary cost at middleman point. Other cost, these are to be depend supplementary cost at distribution cost. Other cost, these are to be depend upon the supplementary cost as a advertising cost, publicity cost, and those advertisement those publicity costs, those investment, these are to be invested on publicity, on transport, on advertising, all these are to be included in the cost. And in this marketing system, major part of profit goes in the market. In the marketing system, we have studied in first period, marketing is the weakest link in the market. Market is the weakest link in this marketing system, and in this marketing system, major part of the profit goes in the pocket of parasites, goes in the pockets of parasite, like the middleman, like the wholesalers, retailers, processman, or the other different intermediaries. These intermediaries, these are to be involved in the marketing. These intermediaries, these are to be earn more money, have more benefit. That's why in marketing system, major profit, these are to be goes to the pocket of parasite. Neither the producer nor the customer, neither the producer nor the customer is benefited by this system. By this system means producer is not benefited, as well as customer is also not benefited. Price of fish and fish product vary from place to place and time to time, as well as species to species. Price of fish and fish product, price of fish and fish product vary from place to place, time to time, and species to species. Means those are culturable, good quality species such as Mastacymbalus aromatus, such as Channa moralis, such as Katla, such as Cyprinus carpio. Price of these fishes, these are to be more, whereas wild fishes price is to be less. Those are large size, price is to be more. Those are small size, price is to be less. Then the price of the fishes, those are the low market or minimum size market, where fishes these are to be caught, captured, landed, such as Jintur market, such as Yeldari market, price is to be low, less. And when same fish these are to be transported to the Aurangabad, transported to the Parbhani, transported to the Mumbai or Nagpur, Pune, then price is to be increased more. Means because where fishes these are to be caught, captured, in that place price is to be less, because quantity these are to be more, and where these are to be occur, these are to be price is to be in more, less, these are to be maximum. Price of fish and fish product vary from place to place and time to time, as well as species to species, and it is to be most interesting factor, because where fishes these are to be caught, captured, price these are to be got minimum, and where fishes these are to be not captured, price these are to be more, or it is to be minimum. Price of fishes influences by type of fish, size, weight, and quality. Price of fishes influences by type of fish, which type of fish these are to be occur. Then size of fish, whether small size or large size, whether weight, more weighted fish, more price, less weighted fish, less price, and quality, whether fish is to be captured freshly, quality is to be good quality, fresh quality, price is to be more, whether fish is to be spoilage, it is to be less, as like wild species. Means these fish, types of fish, size of fish, weight of fish, and quality of fish, these are to be depend upon the price. Depending upon these factors, price these are to be depend, price these are to be off. Yes. The tasty fishes like Indian major carps get more price. The tasty fishes like Indian major carps get more price. Place is also popular in determination of cost of fishes. Place is also popular in determination of cost of fishes. Where in market more demand, more availability of fish, and more availability, more demand these are to be occur. In that place, cost is to be more. But suppose fishes these are to be not enter in market, not found in market, where price is to be less, no demand and supply. Means this demand and supply these are to be determine the price of fish. Some fishes are popular at certain place, hence they get more price at such places. Some fishes these are to be popular, such as in local areas, Bombay duck, such as in local areas, such as in Jintur market, that is Channa moralis famous, Mastacymbalus aromatus famous. Price of these fishes these are to be high. Rahu get more price in Kolkata market than in Mumbai or Chennai market, because in coastal areas freshwater fishes have got more market value as compared to the marine water fishes. Means Rahu get more price in Kolkata market than in Mumbai or Chennai market, depending upon their availability, depending upon the taste and consumer's passion. This is to be depend. Large fishes get more price than small size fishes. Those are the large fishes. That large fishes, these are to be get more price than small size fishes. Live fishes fetches more price. Again, those are the live fishes. These live fishes, these are to be fetches more price because they can kept in market in live condition and have more nutritional value, such as morels, such as Clarias batrachus, such as Tilapia mozambica, such as Gambusia finis. These fishes, these are the live fishes. These are the live fishes. Means those are live fishes. These live fishes, these are to be fetch. These are to be earn more price because these fishes, these are to be kept for long time alive in market. And when these are to be alive for long time in market, these fishes, these are to be more time, more condition. Nutritional value of these fishes, these are to be more. Depending on these nutritional values, such as morels, Clarias batrachus, Tilapia mozambica, or other varieties of fishes, those are to be more nutritional value. And live fishes, they have more price as compared to the other fishes, as compared to the other fish species. If the fishes are sold to shears for processing, if the fishes are sold to shears for processing, they paid less than the fresh fishes sold for consumption. Means those fishes, these are to be sold shears for processing and they paid less than the fresh fishes sold for consumption. Means those are to be consumed, those are to be consumption. Distance between production center and consumption center also important factor in determining the price of fishes. Again, it is interesting. Distance between production center and consumption center also important factor in determining the price of fishes. For example, fishes, these are to be captured in Yeldari reservoir. Price of these fishes, these are to be less, it is to be minimum. Same fishes, these are to be transported to Parbani. Price of fishes, these are to be more, these are to be maximum. Same fishes, these are to be transported to Aurangabad. Price of these fishes, these are to be again increased. Means distance between production center and the consumption center also important factor in determining the price of fishes. Fishes in fresh condition sold at prevailing price in the territory of 10 to 15 miles from production point. That is, price of fish near the production center is more than distance place. The fishes in fresh condition sold at prevailing price in the territory of 10 to 15 miles from production point. That is, price of fish near to the production center is more than the distance places where these are to be travelled. More time these are to be required, spoilage these are to be seen, and such condition these are to be observed, these are to be. In the competitive market, price is fixed on the twin forces of supply and demand. In the competitive market, price is fixed on the twin forces of supply and demand. In the competitive market, price is fixed on twin forces of supply and demand. Demand means the quantity of fish that buyers demand will be more at lower price, and at high price less will be the demand. Means more the demand, more the demand, more the price, less the demand, again less the price. Means demand means the quantity of fish that buyers demand will be more at lower price, and at high price there will be demand less. But these are twin forces, these are to be applicable to each other, to each factors. Supply means the quantity of fish that will be offered for sale. Supply means the quantity of fish that will be offered for sale at a different price level. At different price level. More quantity is offered for sale at higher prices and less at lower prices. Supply and demand fixes the price of fish. Supply and demand fixes the price of fish. However, for short period, demand influences the fixation of price. Means, however, for short period, for short time, this demand influence increase the fixation, increase the price of fish, increase the price of fish, increase the price. These are to be seen. However, short period demand influences the fixation of price, while in long run the cost of production influences the fixation price. Means while in long run, when long run is to be offered, The cost of production influences the fixation price. There are problems in fish marketing. Which are the problems in fish market? In fish market, number of problems these are to be occurred, number of problems these are to be seen. Which are these problems? These are to be seen one by one. Fish marketing composed of only surplus catches. Fish marketing, these are to be composed of only surplus catches. There is wide fluctuations in supply. There is wide fluctuations in supply, resulting in wide fluctuating in price. There is wide fluctuations in supply, resulting in wide fluctuating in price. Only 40% of catches are of good variety and remaining 60% of inferior quality. Means those fishes these are to be occur, those fishes these are to be found. In these fishes only 40% catches these are the good catches and remaining 60% catches these are the inferior or quality, or it can spoil it. Hence price is to be less, hence price is to be low. In the marketing system, middleman get more benefited as compared to the producer, as compared to the consumers. Means in marketing system, middleman get benefited when price goes up. When price goes up, middleman get benefited. When price decline, producer affected. When price these are to be lower down, price these are to be fall down, producer can be affected, producer can be see the number of problems. Each market has an absorbing capacity. Each market has an absorbing capacity, and if supply is more, the price start to decline. When in market absorbing capacity is to be fully full and surplus catches these are to be arriving in market more, at that time price will be start to decline, price will be start to reduce. If proper marketing and storage facilities are not available, if proper marketing and storage facilities are not available, the fish have to be sold at uneconomic price. When in market there is no facility of storage, in market there is no facility of warehousing, there is no facility of marketing, proper availability, proper storage house, at that time those fishes these are to be occur in market, these fishes these are to be sold low price, less price. Means completely consumers or the wholesalers, retailers, these are to be completely benefited, and producer it have a loss of price, loss of fish. That's why uneconomic price these are to be given. It is not for reasonable to the producer as well as for the consumer. The present marketing system is developed by keeping the interest of market intermediaries. Today, the present marketing system is developed by keeping the interest of marketing intermediaries, and these intermediaries these are to be involved. More intermediaries, more profit will be earned. Less intermediaries, less profit will be occur, and it is to be ultimately consumers can purchase, giving more money, and it is to be loss of consumer. There should be marketing organization or marketing corporation to improve efficiency of fish marketing. There should be marketing organization or marketing corporation to improve efficiency of fish marketing. It also provides services to consumers as well as producers and can fix up minimum or fixed price of fishes. In market system, it also provides services to consumers. To provide services to consumers as well as services is to be provided to the producer, and can fix up minimum or fixed price of fishes. Some price is to be fixed. Below to that minimum price, no one can sell the fish. No one can sell the fish. Means minimum price. It is the best beneficial option. It is the best option for the producer. Below to this price, price of fishes these are to be not declined down. But unfortunately in our Indian market, such situation these are to be not seen. It also provides services to consumers as well as producers and can fix up minimum or fixed price of fishes. It is to be when fixed price of fishes, consumers have a benefit as well as producers have also a benefit. Such condition these are to be seen, such condition these are to be. With this, these are the some problems, and these are the some problems in fish marketing. With this, we have completed the unit 2nd, fish marketing in India. Various aspects, various points we have studied in detail in this unit 2nd about the marketing system, about the marketing or fish marketing, fish and fish product marketing. See the instant figure. In this figure, number of women, that is fisherman women, they can sell the fishes, and these are to be sitting on the market. In these different plates, different varieties of fishes, these are to be keeping for sold, or it is to be keeping for selling, and these women, these are to be sell these fishes on different prices according to the market strategies, according to the market condition. Hope all these aspects of marketing we have understood. Here we have completed the unit second. Then in next part we have see the next unit of this paper for the next time. Thank you all of you.